In this video I'm going to show you how to hide photos on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your photos. You can hit there on recents to find some photos, and there all you have to do is hit on select to select one or more photos at once. You can hide several photos at once. First you have to do is to select that photos or videos, and now all you have to do is hit on these three dots icon and there select hide and then confirm it. Now all those photos was hidden, and let me show you how to find them. Just go back to the album, scroll down to the very bottom until you find hidden album. Now you see this lock icon. It means that you can open this album just using your passcode or your Face ID if it's enabled. So I hit on that album, and now you see that Face ID identify me and the hidden album is now open. I can open up all that photos, and also I can unhide some of them, and all I have to do to unhide them is to first hit on select, then select some photos, hit these three dots in circle icon and there hit on unhide. And that's how it works. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if this video helped you out.